Three unique ways to tell stories as a public speaker. Today we will talk about three strategies, that is three T's, okay? Three T's to tell a story. Number one is trial, transition, triumph. Yes, so let's start with the trial, which is number one. Trial is, you can share a story about something which you tried for the first time. Okay, so you become a hero because you have come out of your comfort zone and you tried something for the first time. Even if you failed, share that. Even if you were best at it, share that, right? So for example, suppose you went out of your comfort zone and hosted a party or hosted a function for the first time in your life, and you were wonderful because you yourself didn't know that, I can be so good at it, right? So share that with the audience. It can be a new dish which you tried out and you started cooking for the first time and it was a disaster. So, for me it happened that, and so share that as well. And if you prepared a good dish, even share that as well, right? Now, I'll give you one example. Like for the first time in life, I was writing a book, when I joined my mentor, Arfin Khan, and he instructed all of the 300 people in the community to write a book, and I was one among, I think, 10 people. When one or two people started writing a book, it seemed possible to me. I thought, okay, even I can write a book. So till the time I wrote a book, it seemed very difficult. It was like a mountain for me. But once I wrote the book and I completed it within the target which is given by me to myself, so now it seems so easy. I feel that I can write even 10 more books, right? So it's like Mount Everest. One person climbed the Mount Everest, 3% climbed the Mount Everest. So all the people, they started feeling that okay, it is easy and it's doable. So that is how we make it big in our mind. And so yeah, whatever you have tried and tested for the first time, you came out of your comfort zone, so share that story with your audience. That is trial. And number two is transition. Transition is any change in your life, any big adversity, any struggle, which you face, any big challenge which you faced in your life. So I would like to share a recent example. So what happened, just last week, I think last week, my husband went to Hyderabad for his training. So what happened, I was just taking my sessions and suddenly the laptop screen started flickering in a way like I was not even able to see it. It was so, like disturbing to my eyes. And I just looked for solution here and there. I went on to YouTube, and then what to do if the laptop is flickering, how to fix this laptop, if it is flickering and all that. And I was disturbed for around like 1 or 2 hours, and then I had to cancel that particular session. So then after 2 hours, I started, becoming calm, and I started looking out for solutions. So what I did is, first thing, as I told you, I went to the YouTube and, I started searching for this, and I tried to fix it myself. But yeah, it was temporarily fixed. Now what I did is, like, I started finding the near, ASUS service center, and then I took my laptop to the service center and I fixed it temporarily. But then I decided to buy a new laptop because it has become too old, right? So this is what was the challenge, and for few moments my mind was blank because my husband was not there in the town, and I was like, what do? I don't know where's the service center and how do I take my classes. So I became completely blank. But yes, like after like few hours I came out of it, right? So you can talk about one big challenge which you faced and how you came out of it, right? How you found the solution. That is transition. Now triumph is, as usual, it's the victory which everybody likes to hear, right? Yes, you can share your victories, your success stories there, and I know that there are a lot of achievements which you have done in life. There are a lot of success stories to share because people are waiting for these success stories, because these success stories, these are hope, okay, which gives the audience a hope that okay, if she did it, even I can do it, right? So it motivates the audience. So yes, go for success stories and triumphs. So remember these three T's while you are framing a story next time. That's all for today. See you again.